Alright, welcome back to the Evaluate portion, independent practice of 23.3. You'll be doing a couple problems in your textbook, including numbers 3, sorry about that, including numbers 3, and this would include numbers 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and 17, so about 8 problems total. In addition to this, we'll be doing a couple problems in the checkpoint, where it says lesson 23.3 checkpoint. And they identify some information. So here they identify the mean score, as well as the standard deviation. And they ask you to find, for a sample size of 50, that it would be at most 415. Okay, so again, make sure to identify your population. Okay, so identify that, and then make sure to use your standard deviation formula, where we take our standard deviation, divide that by the square root of our sample size, and then make sure to use, again, that normal distribution calculator that we found to find at most. Remember, at most, that would mean that's the highest it could go. So that would definitely be less than or equal to, or everything that's below that. Okay, so that's important to know for when you use your calculators online. All right, for number 10, they're going to give us our p-value of percent of success, and they're going to give us our sample. Okay, and they're also going to ask us as well as what our percent would be, 95%. So we did an example problem like this, but just remember to identify your mean. Oops, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and make that a little clearer. Alright, and remember to write that percent as a decimal. Alright, and then also to figure out your standard deviation, remember that was square root of p times 1 take away our p-value over our n-value. Okay, and then remember to, if it is normal, essentially we did that problem, we can use that equation, taking our mean takeaway 2 times our standard deviation, and our mean adding 2 times our standard deviation. So just remember we did that, and we can do that, and you should do that. Alright, and if you do have any questions at all, please just bring those in, and we will work those out. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.